Hello Platers. Welcome back. In many cases, we believe a lot of our individual preferences to be totally random: what kind of animals we like, our favorite foods, favorite movies, etc. While these things may seem trivial, they can actually unveil some deeper insights to who we really are. Though factors like make and model can sometimes decide what color car we choose, many of us err on the side of familiarity and often end up choosing the same color vehicles. So we've put together a list of car colors and their psychological undertones. Welcome to our daily drive. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. We have a colorful topic today, so to speak. We will be talking about color, particularly what the color of your car says about your personality. Red. Though neutral car tones have been increasingly popular over the last few years, there is definitely still a group of people that love their red. These particular people love the attention, and regardless of make or model, they get it. Drivers of red cars are often labeled as energetic, ambitious, confident, and powerful, or at least possess a desire to be seen this way. Black. This is of course one of the most popular car colors for many reasons. It's easier to keep clean, it's sophisticated, it's powerful, and more times than not, it makes a statement. It is the color of presidential motorcades and diplomatic vehicles, and it implicates a feeling of luxury and reflects the finer things in life. Regardless of the type of vehicle, black is sure to make a striking impression. Blue. This color has such a broad spectrum because there are many shades of blue. Blue is often seen as a practical, positive, and upbeat color, and a driver of a blue car may reflect these qualities. Dark blues can evoke a sense of formality and professionalism, while medium blue can exude reliability and a down-to-earth demeanor. Light blue, on the hand, can often be construed as low-key and more of a background color. Gold or yellow. These are the colors of happiness and imagination. Many owners of yellow cars like to live by the "don't worry, be happy" mantra. Oftentimes these individuals have a great sense of humor and a good mind for business. Do you agree with our list? Comment down below and join the conversation. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving tips, car care and maintenance advices, visit us at www.blade.ph. It's Blade, it's better.